Make a great choice today with the 2022 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.